Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some hidden secret codes at the Huawei P20. So what we need for is the dialer, and now we start with the project menu first. So star hash 284657 and hash star. Now we're on the project menu, and yeah, we can have a look on the background settings. You can see your USB port settings and so on. Or we have some video informations, no? Other info. So you can check out a bit your phone. You can also make a software upgrade directly from that, or make a factory reset. So be carefully that you don't touch that point. And we can have a look also at a battery charge. So we have actually a battery temperature of 32 degrees. It's very good. And yeah, let's go back. Okay, let's go to the testing mode. Star hash 6130 hash star. So now we're in the testing mode and we have some phone informations. We can choose the SIM card you want to choose, and now you can make also a ping one test and so on and so on. I actually have no SIM card inserted, and yeah. And you have also some usage statistics. You can have here, you can have a look here on all the apps you have on your phone, and you can see when you have used it the last time. So maybe Motions I've used on the 27th of March in 2018 at 0:52, so at midnight. I'm sorry, and that's true. Maybe if you scroll down and see something like the 1st January 1970, it means that you never have used that app until now. Ne? Maybe so I didn't have used YouTube on that phone already, and so it doesn't mean that your phone is too old or something like this. It's just the beginning for the stats. Ne? So, but normally, if you have used your phone already for a while, you have wonderful statistics here. Yeah, something nice. And then you have also Wi-Fi information and so on, the Wi-Fi status. Actually, I have not Wi-Fi. No, I have Wi-Fi connected, so I can make a one ping test and so on. Yeah, and refresh the stats and so on. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like these two hidden secret codes. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, if you want, we can see us next time. I've created also some other videos for the P20 if you're interested in. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao.